Good job. You gonna do another trick? Nice trick. You gonna do another one?
No, not that trick.
Not that trick? You gonna do a different one?
Yeah, this one trick.
Woo! Good job.
The direction says like.
Good job.
But how do I put it in the pan on the side, or do I put the face down? Yep.
You're awesome. Good job, son.
It says in the thing, like 2 hours for 9 pounds, and I think. The thing is, this one, the military had this little holiday give out. They gave us this ham and a box of
Wow.
fruit. And it doesn't say.
Is that a trick too?
But it says 2 hours for like 7 to 9 pounds, so that's what I'm gonna.
Write it.
Yeah. It comes with a honey or a hand glaze mix.
And get you a helmet when we go outside, huh? Gonna get you a helmet when we go outside. Yep.
And my helmet.
Your helmet's in that box right there.
The big box.
Yep. You like your skateboard?
Plus, it'll be funny that people don't like it, they can eat the other stuff. So. Everybody's supposed to be bringing something. Or be
Lazy
family.
bird.
Woo!
And they gave us,
Good job.
just the military had something too. They gave me
Mommy.
$50 Walmart gift card and $25 gift card for a grocery store.
Oh,
Handed it out.
Yeah. Did I open our presents?
you did open your presents. What did you get?
My dragon meter.
Monster truck and Mater?
And my skateboard.
And your skateboard?
Yeah.
And what else?
And my monsters.
And monster trucks?
Yeah.
What about, did you also get it? What did you also get? Did you also get one of these?
Robots.
A robot? Bumblebee and Optimus Prime?
I didn't know what I wanted
Whoa.
for Christmas either, so.
Good job.
Yeah, I don't really need anything, and I don't know, there's not really anything I want either, so.
Spin it around. Can you spin it?
I'm sure I could think of something to buy though.
Can you spin it?
I did.
You did. Good job. What's on your skateboard?
Dragon.
A dragon? Yeah.
Like a dinosaur.
It's like a dinosaur?
I need a new
Yeah.
Cool.
need an entertainment station on my TV.
Can I touch him?
Not sure if I
Can you what?
Can I touch him?
Of course you can touch him. It's your skateboard.
Because here we don't have to fix anything. They told us in Maine.
I touched him.
Fix anything.
Yeah, you did.
Cutting the house and redoing the whole thing. So yeah.
Tired?
Even if you know,
No.
fixing the holes
No.
in the wall, you gotta fix anything. The blind that I broke.
You gonna go play some more?
Pretty much the guy told me, it's just like make sure you just
Huh?
take everything
Can I
out.
go play some more?
Give it a quick sweep and a mop and a vacuum, and that's it. Don't have to like scrub anything, don't have to clean nothing. So that's good. Don't have to worry about that. Kind of feeling I was gonna have to pay some money for something. Nope. Although the next place we're moving to a real apartment that's off base and has nothing to do with the military, so.
Silly.
Probably
You okay? You okay? You okay?
I know.
I have to get out.
You have to get up?
Yeah.
Well then get up.
It's alright for now.